Hello student. Chapter 6 Square and Square Root. In that exercise 6.4 question number 7. Okay. In a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Then solve A and B. Okay. Triangle AB is 90 degree and ABC is there and B is 90 degree. That means our triangle is right angle triangle like that. Okay. And this angle is 90 degree means right angle, that is B. And suppose here A is there, here C is there. Okay. So triangle ABC is right angle at angle B. Okay. Therefore, so AC is hypotenuse. Right. So okay, AC is hypotenuse and AB and BC are called legs. Legs. Okay. So opposite side of B, AC is hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras, okay, according to Pythagoras, hypotenuse square means AC square, that is equal to sum of the square of legs means another two sides, means AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, that is the formula for right angle triangle. Okay, now number A, look what is given. In A, if AB is 6 centimeter, BC is 8 centimeter, then find out AC. Okay, now in that AB equal to 6 centimeter and BC equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, and find out AC. AC equal to question mark. So here we are having the formula AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. That means 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square equal to 36 plus 8 square 64 and sum total of that one is 100. Okay, so AC square equal to 100. That means AC equal to square root of 100. Okay, equal to, now factorize here 100, that is 2, 50, 2, 25, 5, 5 and 5, 1 in a square form, that is 2 square and 5 square. Remove the square and square root, equal to 2 into 5, that is 10 centimeter, means AC equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, now B, look here. In B, AC is given, that is 13 centimeter. Then BC is given, that is 5 centimeter. And we just find out AB, question mark. Same formula we use here. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. Put the values, that is 13 square equal to AB square plus BC is given 5 square. 13 square is 169 equal to AB square plus 25. Now change the side of 25. 169 minus 25 equal to AB square. That means AB square equal to, difference of that one is 144. So AB equal to, here square is there and square root of that one is AB. So same here, just take square root of opposite side, square root of 144 equal to, now factorize 144. 144 here 2 72s are, again 2 36s are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. Make pairs. Okay, so they are into square root 2 square into 2 square into 3 square. 2 2 and 3 square. Remove the square and square roots. So 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, that is 12 centimeter. Okay, so AB equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, now next question number 8. Read that one. A gardener has 1000 plants. He want to plant this in such a way that the number of rows and number of columns remain same. Okay, that means in a one garden, look like that. He want to, gardener want to plant a plants, okay, in such way the number of rows and columns should be same. Suppose x columns are there, same x rows are there. Okay, both are same. So total plants he need, that is x into x, that is x square. That means your answer should be perfect square number. X into x, x square, square is there, means that is perfect square number. Okay, but here he had total 1000 plants. Okay, and 1000 is not perfect square, means he need more plants to and plant them, plantation, for plantation. So the number of column and rows should be same. Okay, so what to do? He need more plants, means you just add more plants in that one. So you just find out the number which add, you just add into this one to get perfect square number. Okay, so what to do? Here 100,000 plants is there. Okay, total plants equal to thousands. Okay, now 1000 is not perfect square number, so what to do? We use division method, make pair of 2's, and here first one is 10, so 3 3s are 9. We know that how to find out that one here, and double of 3 is 6. Okay, now 2 zeros comes down. Now 6 into dash and dash, that means 6 dash into dash, and we need here. If we add 1 61 ones are 61, and 6 if we take 2 here, 62 twos are, that is 124, that is more than 100. So 6 ones are and ones are, and here 61s are. Okay, and that is 39, right? So 31 here, and in addition we know that what to do, just take one more of quotient, means 31 is here, 31 plus 1 square minus our number, that is 1000. Okay, that means 32 square minus 1000. Now what is the square of 32? So 32 square is, that is 1024 minus 1000. Okay, and difference is 24, means he need 24, he need 24 more plants. 24 more plants to plant like that in such a way, so he get row and number of columns should be same, remain same. Okay, next one, question number 9. Look, there are 500 children are there in a school. For PT drill, they have to stand in such a manner that the numbers of rows equal to number of columns. Same here. Okay, total children equal to 500. Okay, and they arrange them into in such a way so number of column and rows should be same. Okay, that means our number is perfect square number, and after arranging that one in that way, okay, some students were left. Okay, we just find out the number of children left in that arrangement. Okay, that means you just find out remainder. Okay, how many students remain? So what to do? Just take 500 here, make pairs, okay, and divide that one. So 5 is there, 2 2s are 4, here 1, double of that one is 4, and 2 zeros comes down, 4 dash and here dash, means 4 dash into dash equal to, if we take 1, so 1 ones are 41 ones are 41, 2, so that is 42 twos are 84, and 43 and 3, that is 9, and that is more than 100. So we take 2, 42, here 2, and here 84, and difference of that one is, look here, 9, here 0, here 10, 6 and 1 means 16. Okay, that means 16 students. So 500 minus, here 22 is there, 22 square. So 500 minus 22 square is 484. Okay, and difference is 16, means 16 children left, would be left. 16 children would be left, okay, out in this arrangement. Okay, so here our exercise 6.4 is completed. Same, our chapter 6 is completed. Okay, you just complete that chapter, means exercise, in your notebook. Okay, in next period we start our new chapter. Okay, thank you.